One name, KEDU. It's your girl Ugoccie here, Ugoccie, and I want to show something exciting off the KEDU app. Nkwado, Obodo. So here's how it works. As a member, you can create community projects or personal creative projects that you want people to, invest in, and all you have to do is convince users of the KEDU app to vote for you. The Southeast Development Fund is that it is actually powered by donations, voluntary donations from KEDU app users in Nigeria and also from Nigerians in diaspora. And it is so transparent because the money would only be spent and disbursed based on user votes. So the project with the highest votes, that's where people are going to put all their money into. So, who knows? So one name, what are you waiting for? Get involved, start a project, tender your proposal, and most importantly, download the KEDU app today so you can get with the program. Dalokwan.